So now we're in the tunnel, and this is the sides all the way down on both sides. We can walk in it. Should we walk in it? You can touch it.
Probably be really cold.
Oh, it's freezing.
Oh yeah, it is.
But yeah, it's really cool. It's like this all the way. And the walls are so weird. I want to touch it.
Probably shouldn't. Might have corona on it, who knows? I won't walk on it.
It feels really weird. It's really rough, although it looks smooth. Like it feels like sandpaper. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. But it looks really smooth.
I think it looks smooth because of the water on it.
Yeah.
But then up here, it's like this other rock.
Oh, come over here.
Yeah, this rock looks cool. Probably because the water drips on it.
Yeah.
And then also over here, this is the entrance. There's like this cool metal thing.
And now come to the doors.
Yeah, they can come see the doors. Yeah, and then there's these really cool doors.
They're like really, really big. On camera it might look small, but they're big.
Yeah. So we're back at the campsite, and you're gonna get to see some of the street spots we're riding out here. Rolling! Woo! It was easy. So we just got done setting everything up, and it started raining. Look at this. Great. My stickers on my mini rig are probably gonna peel off now. So at the end of the video, there's not much more, and that's because, well, everything kind of went bad. It started raining really hard, and this was charging my GoPro while it was raining out of the waterproof case. So that was bad. We didn't get any footage of the mini rigs just because we rode our other bikes most of the time. We just wanted some time without filming. So yeah, this video is probably boring if you made it here or skipped it here, whatever, but it's just kind of for our own sake, just to see it and whatever we want with it. So later.